Yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to a brand new video. So today what we're going to do, we're going to get some dust and dirt and grime off the car and I'm going to bring you along with me. The show is about to start. We're only literally like a couple of videos away before we actually go to no return. So I thought, whilst the roads have been salty and gritty, I haven't cleaned the car in like a couple of months. So we're just going to give it a little clean. My brother bought me this AUTOBRITE like detailing starter set, so I thought, you know what, finish work, it's dry, it's quite windy, but we're gonna go for it. So hopefully bring you along with it. I'm gonna try and be a bit more upbeat. It doesn't mean I'm being fake, but I'm just trying to be a bit upbeat rather than so let me show you what we're gonna do, the kind of stuff we've got, and then go from there. Bloody hell, I've got hiccups, so let's go. Like a lot of you probably think, oh look, he's just talking shit again, look what's gonna happen. So we've got a 4-port boost solenoid from Speed Factory. We've got some injectors, and over there we've got a Integra 70mm throttle body. So, yeah boy! I told you what messing about. Anyone that knows about like shit isn't cheap, yeah. So to go from nothing to everything without pulling it out your arse is going to take a while. So I said obviously in previous videos that spending money stupidly and got into stupid situations, whereas now things are a lot better, things are a lot easier. Let's just say don't buy everything on tick, because sooner or later you get that many things, you go shit, I've got no money. So obviously I'm never going into that again. If I can afford it, I'm buying it. If I can't afford it, I'm not getting it on finance, loan, nothing. So unless I've got the money and I can buy it cash, we ain't going near it. So that's the reason why things have took so long, because injectors ain't cheap, throttle bodies ain't cheap. So there's a lot of stuff, yeah. But obviously if you know, you know. If you don't know, subscribe, like, share, subscribe, all that madness, because it is going to be good. Like, it is going off, man, honestly. And there's my old car, TTRS, absolute nail. So yeah, let's get the cleaning stuff, let's show you what we're working with, and let's clean up the car. So let's go. Right then, so this is it. So it's AUTOBRITE Direct 6 steps of detailing sampling kit. So you get all these little bits and bobs in here. Wheels, wash, decontamination, polish, protect, finish. I don't think it's that expensive, to be fair, and you know what, I've used AUTOBRITE stuff in the past and I highly recommend. If you haven't used it, they're like one of the best suppliers of car detailing stuff in the UK. So yeah, I'll link that in description. I'll actually go on Google, I'll find this for you, even though it's a present, and I'll link it in description for you. But yeah, just like that, purple round fallout remover. So yeah, lovely jubbly, let's get it cleaned. Right, so we've got 2 carbon collective buckets with a fancy wash mitt. I can't remember the brand of this one, but apparently this was like the best wash mitt on the market, clean. And then we've got the extras. I think that on its own was like 20 quid just to hook on the bucket. And then we've got our little brushes. So yeah, let's fill these up with water and show you the car. So here's the car. It hasn't been cleaned in months. Like honestly, I jet washed it the other day. We literally just rinsed it, so I haven't washed it properly in God knows how long. So look at the wheels and tyres there, like so brown and dirty. We have carbon collective ceramic coated these wheels, so I'm hoping pretty much non-contact wash should clean these right up. Obviously look down here, we've got a lot of dirt. I just wanted to wait till it was like really grubby before washing it. But yeah, it's anything though, because it's like an old classic car. I don't want to turn it into like shit. Man, that looks so sick from that angle. Rear arches need, look at the front arch, how sick that looks. Rear arches need bowling out, man. So yeah, but yeah, it's dusty. Did that a couple of weeks ago. It's absolutely filthy, so let's go. And we got the KARCHER K full power control. The only thing I would say, if you buy one of these, you're going to want a new hose straight away, because this is the worst hose I've ever had. The amount of times I wash the car and I have to spin the gun around because it's all tangled in a loop. As you can see, look, it just does that all the time. So no matter if you wash it normal, you will end up tangling it. So yeah, KARCHER K4, absolute dream, man. Perfect. About 170, something like that. Link in the description if anyone wants one. So yeah, let's go. Right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to use this Purple Rain on the wheel, just literally just spray it on, see if it does anything, and then we're going to rinse it off. And then on the back wheel we'll just rinse it with no aids, no cleaner, nothing, and just see if the ceramic coating actually does anything. So yeah, let's go. Wow, stinks. Bloody hell. Seems like it sprays it out quite weird, but really like a long ruler kind of vibe. Not too mad on the old spray bottle, but getting half of it over my face. So see if that actually does anything. Right, so it has started to darken. I'm going to get the JETWASH now, put it on hard, because there is two settings, hard and soft. Let's rinse it off and see if it actually does anything. Well, look at that, man. I'm hoping you can pick that up on camera, but geez, that looks outrageous compared to the rear one anyway. Ready? Front, rear, look at this. And I haven't even touched it. Like, I haven't touched that at all, man. Imagine what it would be like if I actually hand wash it. Mental. Right, so that's used like just about half a bottle. So I've done 4 wheels, so you probably get 2 washes out of that. Obviously you probably wouldn't have to use full light remover every time you do like just a spring clean kind of wash, but as it's pretty dirty, let's go for it. Right, so there you go. I'm not going to lie to you or like bullshit to you or anything and say, yeah, that done the job because of that. But that's what I've used before. So if you get a set of wheels or anything like that, if you ceramic coat, take them off, ceramic coat them, so wash them, decontaminate them, then ceramic coat them. It's like 25 to 35 quid for this one. Just do all the wheels, and then like I say, I haven't even contacted it, and I haven't washed these wheels in so long, and it's literally like light work to wash your wheels. So happy days, folks. Right, so I've gone around the whole car with this, pretty much like to like width level, as you can see, literally like door line level. There's still like half in it, so yeah, you are actually getting 2 washes with it, which is pretty decent. So yeah, I'm going to show you in real time now, rinsing a section and just show you. Oh, to be fair, I should have done a 50-50. I do apologise about this. Sometimes I don't think until after I've done it, but yeah, I'll just do a little rinse and you can see actually how dirty it is. So let's go. Ready? Wow, look at that. Right, let's get a bit more to get the R in it. Side skirt, man, jeez. It'll just lift off a bit of the dirt, like really easy. Like, some dirt can be quite stubborn, but all-purpose cleaner can kind of like loosen it up for you. So I'm gonna go around the car, rinse it off, and I'll show you, give you a little walk around after I've done that. Literally, that has just been rinsed off. That's it. I haven't contacted it at all. Obviously, look at that, man. That looks pretty decent to be there. Some people will probably get away with that and say that's done, but there's literally no protection there at all, man. So yeah, look at the top, man. It's so horrible. Always need protected so that it cleans a little bit better, but look at that, no protection on that at all. As you can tell, look at the water's sticking to it and like draining off it. But yeah, man, that all-purpose cleaner does pretty well, and I'm not one to be using that all the time, but might have to grab some more. So yeah, let's get onto the snow foam. Right, so you don't actually get a dedicated snow foam, so this is their purple velvet shampoo, sudsy shampoo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in my AUTOBRITE Direct snow foam lance, put half a bottle in that, and then I'm going to just use half a bottle as the actual shampoo. So we'll use a bit for snow foam, so let's go. So now it's snow foam, we're going to 2 bucket method wash it. We've got a grit guard in the bottom of this one, just so if any dirt debris fall down, it will go to the bottom of the bucket. As you can see, look for demonstration, look how much dirt gets in the bottom of the bucket. It's quite bad. So you kind of find your way with washing. Like me, I go roof, so lines, because obviously if you go like that you're going to make scratches kind of thing. So go in lines, do the rear, then come along to the front, and then like whilst I'm there I'll do like the A-pillars, and then literally like stop there, and then next I'll do the bonnet and probably like top half of the bumper, and then I'll do the top half of the sides like that. Then I'll do like, I don't know, I'll leave the rear till last because that gets the dirtiest. Same again, and then what I'll do the rear, then do the lowest parts, because obviously that bit's going to collect most of the dirt, and that bit over there. So yeah, man, let's continue. Right, look at that, man. That is literally just a snow foam and a wash, pretty much. Look at that. That is looking outrageous, folks, man. Just gonna dry it, put a little detailing protection spray, give the wheels a little tyre shine, and I think that's it. Unfortunately, I don't have a big unit, so I can't put the car in a unit, but we'll do what we can for now. So yeah, look at that, man. It's looking mint. Back in the house now. The light has absolutely killed us. As you can see behind it, it's like pitch black now. It's so frustrating because there's so much that I want to do, but I can't, because obviously I'm just in the middle of the road. Like I watch Auto Finesse's detailing videos and I'm like, man, they're so sick. But when you're on your own trying to wash the car and film, my own situation, I put myself down, and that's what I need to stop doing. I know what I want to create, but sometimes it's hard being me on my own. I did ask my mate if he'd help me film, and he said he's up for it, so hopefully we can get him filming a couple of bits. But we're going to start now, so we're going to start taking things apart. We're going to start taking like the sump off. We've got to take that somewhere, we've got to take the head off, take that somewhere. So it's all exciting. I'm not giving it away. I'm just going to go step by step, and eventually, as you get through the videos, you will see. I put the mic the wrong way around. Oh my god, I hope you can hear this. Let's spin it round. There we go. So hopefully that's better. But yeah, there's plenty to come. It's just I've been struggling really. Like I know I can do better. I know I want to be better, and that's what we got to do. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's just small steps to get to the big things, and hopefully I know where I want to be in my head, but it's going to take a lot of time to get there, and I won't ever get there without you lot. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you on the next one where it gets really exciting. So see you in the next one. Peace.